Good morning. We're on week 2 of the Dr. Goldner protocol. I've got my smoothie. This is my first smoothie of the day. I've got my tea. This is that yummy Tea Runner's tea. I'll leave a link below. I bought a bunch of this during the Black Friday. I'm really stocked up, but I have a coupon code below. It's really high quality tea and they come in tons of flavors, which is what I really like about it. Lots of organic options. So I've had that so far, and now we're having this. This has this flaxseed, Costco super greens. I meant to only do mango because I wanted to see how pretty green the smoothies come out. Last week we did blueberries, but we're gonna have it again because I forgot. I'm just on autopilot and I put it in. Some bananas and then some mango. All this is from Costco. And some ginger. This is from Trader Joe's. I like ginger in my smoothies. It makes them really spicy. And you know, if you're gonna experiment with that, just put a little at first because you can really make them spicy. But I love that in the winter. So, and then the almond milk. So I'm gonna go blend this up. Okay, I use these 32-ounce mason jars. It's real handy. Strongly recommend these. And I also like these glass straws. It just makes it a more pleasant experience. I have a really great spatula that I normally use, but it's in the dishwasher. So good, so delicious. All right, so I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna be really productive. I got a lot to do. And then I'll come back and make a salad with you, okay? Cheers. All right, so now it's time to make lunch. I'm really hungry and I just realized it's after 4. How did that happen? I'll tell you how it happened. I spent 2 hours today on the phone with my insurance company because there was a billing mistake. Do you ever, I'm sure you go through this too, right? It's the hold music. It's the hold music that does it to me. I don't mind being on hold at all because I got tons of stuff to do, but it's that being forced to listen to the recordings over and over and hear that music. We all have our own music. We can all play music if we want to. There's absolutely no reason to be forced to hear it. So I've started mentioning that to the people and asking them, hey, can you give feedback? Will you please let them know how awful it is to have to listen to this music? And they were like, sure. And I'm thinking if enough people say it, then maybe eventually, like Apple, if you call Apple, you have a choice. And I love that. So maybe other companies will catch on. It drives you crazy. Not only does it suck up your time, but your nervous system is just like tangled up afterwards. It's not good. So, but I had a really cool guy that was helping me, so that made it good. But still, it's 2 hours out of my life. Once you get to be this age, you don't want to waste 2 hours, right? Okay, or any age should waste 2 hours. This should not be happening. We have computers. Why is this happening? All right, I've got a variety of peppers. I have some jalapenos there, but today we're going for a lemon dressing with the avocado. I've got my red leaf lettuce. That's my favorite one. And you can add some of those super greens in here if you want to, you know, beef up the potency of the greens, but I like some variety. Look at how beautiful. I don't think it shows up on camera, but this lettuce is, and that red is full of anthocyanins, which are those healing compounds, but it just tastes like so good. And I like to cut I don't like having giant mouthfuls of lettuce, so I always cut them up to make them a little more bite-sized. And I had a new toy to show you, and I'm excited about it. Okay, so we're doing cauliflower peppers, a lemon dressing. I talk about these sometimes. They're from Costco. I have an avocado, but I'm saving it because that's my last good avocado that I got at Trader Joe's. It's like the perfect avocado. So I'm gonna use these. And then you always have it, you can freeze these, so you always have avocado. It's awesome. And they're organic. And the new toy is this. Hi, Amelia, if you're seeing this. I had this in my shopping cart for 2 years and I did not buy it because I had another chopper that ended up in the donation pile. And I just didn't want to waste the money. But the reason it ended up in the donation pile, I'll link it below, is because I like a fine chop and it wasn't fine enough. This one has 2, it comes with more than one of those, of the blade things. so you can control the chop. So I got mine on fine, and it just makes fast work of everything. And there's not much cleanup with it. I've been really enjoying the cauliflower with guacamole. It's so delicious. I eat that when I'm not doing the protocol because I just really like it. You find yourself getting hooked on this stuff. It's a lot of cauliflower, huh? Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe I should say some. If you find that you chopped up too much, just do this, and then you'll have it ready for the next one. Now, we're just going to take the orange and the red. A little yellow. And onion. I've got a tiny little bit of cucumber too, but I'm saving it. Cauliflower and onions go on all my salads. These have those sulfurane compounds that are so good in the cruciferous. And we'll do one more. Okay, is that it? That's it. We're done. Isn't that great? We're done. That took the longest, the cauliflower, and I probably could have put that in there too. Look, isn't that pretty? Okay, now we could mash this on another plate, but we're just gonna do it right on top. Keep it super simple. Sometimes if I have a big avocado, I'll mash it in a separate plate and then put it on there. Oh, and today we have zest. I think zest adds another layer of depth to your salad, to everything, and I love to use it. I also get that bottled citrus so that you always have it on hand. I mean, it's gorgeous. I wish you could smell it. I mean, it just smells so good. I'm gonna use a little more zest. There's something so refreshing about it. And then you just kind of mix that in. Okay, so we just made our salad, and I know it didn't take that long, and I've got a backup. Sometimes that's enough, and sometimes I want more. So that's it. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. So let's take a taste. Okay, guys, I hope you are doing great on your protocol. If you want some new entertainment, I'm going to talk about this in the chat, but I warn you, if you like action like I do, and you start watching this, you may not be able to stop. I had to, after midnight last night, I had to force myself to watch it. It's called Lioness. It's on Prime. It's so good. It's really good. A little bit of overacting, as I think everything he does, that Tyler Sheridan guy, a lot of overacting with him, but it's really, really good. If you can kind of, overlook that, it is so good and suspenseful and exciting, and I love that show. Lioness on Prime. Let me know what you think. So I'll see you this weekend, and I adore you. Leave a comment. Let us know how you're doing, okay? Let us all know. I hope that your symptoms are getting better, and if you're not doing it for autoimmune, I hope you're just enjoying the food and having whatever result you wanted, because this is so good. I'll see you real soon. Happy healing.